Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your X account, or formerly Twitter, to Hootsuite. To find the option to add your X account, go into the Socials Accounts and Teams under your profile here at the bottom left. And then click on it, and then click into Private Account with the plus sign right next to it. In here, you can find all of the options of how to add your social accounts. Now press Twitter. Now this will require you to authorize Hootsuite Inc. to access your account. So sign in with your Twitter. Once you place down all of your credentials, it will then open Twitter from here. And you'll be able to post whatever you want. And it'll be added into your social accounts in your profile. And as you can see here, there's the function of schedule and then the postings that Hootsuite offers you. And that's how to connect Twitter into Hootsuite.